All right, quick little update on the Winnebago today. Ryan is working on the brake pedal. He's almost done. We're going to show you that in a minute. But we've been so Winnebago heavy. We've done like, I don't know how many videos in a row. We're going to show you some stuff that's coming up real soon.
Like what? This slam bus. This crazy panel truck we're building a chassis for. So close now. This crazy 63 Chevy. Lots of custom. And another bus.
And maybe even this moped.
Moped? It's a hog, dog. What are you talking about? Alright, so here's where we're going with the classic Winnebago. Kind of update time. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, alright, finishing up the brakes. Hopefully that'll be all done today. I'll show that here in just a little bit. And then I have to put the radiator in, which I showed you guys we had that. I got to build a gas tank next so I can mount that stuff underneath of it. And then I need to pull the engine back out. And we're going to paint everything we've already done thus far, I hope. And, well, I don't know what colors yet. So, like, you guys got any comments on that? I need help with that. That's the part I'm not, not real good at. But I want to come up with something and I don't want to hide it. I'm definitely not black. I don't know what to do there. But we got to get everything painted so that we can start putting things back together and finally actually have things finished and not just like almost finished because nothing's been painted yet. And that's pretty much where I'm at right now. That's where I want to get done. Just get all the painting done so I can start putting things back in. I still don't have a Hellcat, so if anybody has a Hellcat laying around, come on now. It's gonna be cool.
At least a good deal on one.
Yeah, I'll make a real good deal on one. Like, come on, I'll trade you a Hemi.
Trade him for the Hellcat.
Sounds fair.
So after everything's painted, and then when are you gonna start on the spring box part of it?
The spring box will probably be last, honestly. I'll get it running and everything. The spring box is going in the generator spot that's in the back there, so that way I can open it up while it's sitting outside, and you'll be able to see the spring box from outside the Winnie just sitting on the side. So that's gonna be really tricky. And I do need coilovers. So if any of you guys got coilovers that'll hold up a Winnebago, I need 4 of those. So, but I want to get it running and everything. Like it's just teeing those into the lines, which I could have the lines already sitting back there. So that problem is really not a priority for me anyways. I want to get it running and all that, all the hard stuff. Like that part's going to be just more cosmetic, make it look cool. You know. Cool.
You're gonna make it look. You're gonna make it look cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably drill some holes, weld them too, something like that. I guess I don't know.
So once you get all that done, then what about just the general interior parts here? I mean, obviously the walls and everything need to be.
Yeah, we'll be able to. After we do the painting and all this, the next step is going to be replace the roof, which obviously was wood. It's not. It never was wood. It was supposed to be just styrofoam, but somebody had redone it once before. But obviously, if you watch our video back in the day, the roof fell down. So we're going to rebuild the roof all out of aluminum, which will be really nice. And I've been looking forward to doing that. That was the first thing I did to the one that got crushed. This will be the last thing I did to this one. That's what kept me going on it. But we'll make that out of aluminum, and then once the roof's done, then we can do the walls. We can do careful. We can do the walls. We can do the pump mount, and I'm gonna have like a panel with like hydraulic valves and gauges and all kinds of stupid stuff, and acrylic tanks for the pump reservoirs, which I'm pretty stoked about. I think I had this idea, backlighting them and all that kind of stuff. So then we can get that all done, and then we can the interior will just snowball from there. And I don't know exactly what to do. I still got to finish the other seat, but I don't need the other seat. I needed the driver's seat to get the pedals and the steering all in. So that is all done. So yeah, that's about it. Then we'll be driving it. So I figured another couple weeks.
Yeah. So on that pedal, I estimated you've got, what, 10 days in the pedal?
So maybe I do.
All right, let's everybody take a quick sneak peek. It's not done yet, but it's close.
Yeah.
We'll take a quick sneak peek. A sneak peek? And then
this will be the brake pedal. A couple of holes. We're gonna weld some tubes in there. But yeah, I like the design. Looks really cool in there. Really nice. These are some notch outs because that's right where the brake booster is. Pushes across this way, so we'll show you later how it all works, but it looks killer in there, and you'll be able to see it all. I did get the power steering pump, that electric power steering pump. Still don't know if it's going to work. Hey, any of you guys know anybody that might know somebody that knows anything about Hydro Boost, ask them to like and subscribe and watch the videos and just, yeah, point me in the right direction so I make sure I can do it right the first time. I think it's going to work, but I don't know. It's got to work.
All right, so a little bit, in 2 days when you get this done, I want you to take a little video and show me, and I'll try to put it in this video here.
2 days.
So I had an idea. This is just off the top of my head. I think I'm going to put a phone number at the bottom of the screen. So when we're here next week, people can actually text us while we're here. We're here on usually Saturday mornings early.
Yeah.
4 a.m. ish
3:30
Eastern Standard Time. So send us a text. Don't even bother calling because I'm not going to answer. Send us a text.
Yes.
And maybe we'll text back or maybe we'll call you back.
Yeah.
Sound like fun?
Got any
I just threw this
questions,
at you just out of the blue.
Awesome. Yeah. Anybody wants to talk about the Winnebago, I'm all in. Let's do it.
The scary thing is it's my phone number.
Even better.
But I don't answer the phone. I will answer text.
Yeah.
So. Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool. Don't forget, tell all your friends, like, subscribe, check out the Amazon links. Watch this next video up in here because this is my favorite all-time video.
Wrong side.
It's over here, I think. I don't remember. It's down here. It's going to be somewhere on the screen. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace out.